best platform that India provides. So, and I've been a part of this for many years. I'm very excited to be here. And all the best to the whole team, Vadon, Kiara, Mrs. Neil Kapoor and Anil Kapoor.
I'm very excited to not be wearing a gown tonight. It feels extremely happy to be back here. I think there's so much emotion associated with Miss India. The past year has been a roller coaster ride. And to think that it's time to turn the page into a new chapter is very exciting. We have a fab night planned. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I can't wait to see how the girls perform on stage. Of course, I'm their sisters and it's going to be fab.
I'm really glad because we are still reigning Miss India and I'm really looking forward, and it's quite overwhelming because we are 2020 and we are going to pass on the crown. So it's kind of emotional moment that I don't want to give my crown back, but still it is a rule and we have to test time, but it will be forever Miss India and I'm really excited to see who is that deserving girl who will wear my crown.
Like this, make it not like this, make it drop.
I think it's changed everyone's life as a viewer, as an actor, as everything, and OTT is a great step forward, as well as, it's a great step forward even as a viewer. Like, more than being on different OTT platforms, I also see myself consuming so much more. So it's a good step. I mean, more avenues, more entertainment, more scripts. More scripts means better content.
So excited, so happy to be here. Tell me what hasn't changed. My entire life has changed. The opportunities that have come my way, the platform that I've received is incredible and I'm just super grateful for that. मैं बहुत excited हूँ. It brings back so many memories from last year and I can't wait to see what everyone is going to look like, what they're going to say, and all the best to Maharashtra because I was Miss Maharashtra 2020, so I can't wait to see the new girl.
प्यार दिया कसमां खा के सच्चियां तोड़ दिया दिल के गला छुट्टियां खुद तो भी ज्यादा तेनू प्यार मैं करां पर जी मैं चली गई मुड़ना आना सोनिया गलतियां तू इतनी करदा मैंने भी जाने दिया सोचा था तू अब बदलेगा मौका तुझे संवार दिया जान दिया नहीं चाहिए तेरी माफिया जान लिया तेनू जाना अंदरों तक मैं तेनू पहचान दिया.
I'm so excited because Femina Miss India is my home. I am who I am because of Miss India, and being a Miss India is the greatest thing that ever happened to me. It changed my life. And recent years, we've had so many wonderful women. We've had Manushi Chillar, Harna, Sandhu, so many of our amazing talents who are doing so well in life. So even tonight, I hope we find such shining stars, and I can't wait to party.
Congratulations to all the participants and the finalists. I'm really looking forward to it because I think it's a very thrilling moment being myself Miss India participant. It's really a great moment for all the girls who worked really hard for this day. So it's something that you really look forward
Meeting everybody, people from industry, Times people have messaged me that they're inside and they're waiting for me. So, all the best for all the participants.
who is winning and who aspire to become somebody in their life. You know, everybody should have dream, and here people have come to achieve their dreams, and I can say all the best to everyone.
Like this, make it not like this, make it drop.
My film, my very first Bollywood film is releasing tomorrow in the theaters. तो उसके लिए मैं बहुत excited हूँ. कल आ रही है इत्तू बात theaters में, so please go and watch it if you haven't already. So yeah.
I think it's very important for the visibility, and Times of India gives us a platform and this opportunity to stand out more than other models as well. I'm really lucky to be a part of it, and the whole team, they're a fab team. They manage us, they work hard for us day and night, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you.